episode of Pilates with Pooja. I am Pooja and I'm a certified Pilates instructor. I have my own practice and I do private sessions as well as group sessions, taking you from the basics to the advanced throughout the entire year. And if you are interested, then make sure you reach out to me on the email ID pilateswithpooja7@gmail.com, or you can always reach out to me on my DMs on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is pilates.with.pooja. So make sure you reach out if you are interested. Without any further ado, let's get into our workout for today, where we are working our arms, our abs and our core. I'm doing level 1 stage 1 planks for today's workout. So if you're someone who has had a hard time with planks and push-ups, then you can stay for today's workout and look at my technique and apply it to your own workouts as well. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, are you ready to get into the first workout of 2021? So to get started, we are beginning with the first level, stage 1 of planks. We're just simply going to lift ourselves up like this, coming on our toes. Now staying on our toes, that is, you stay in a stage 1 plank and you go crisscross. You basically try to touch your knees to your elbows, although you don't really need to touch them as long as you're directing it in that position. This is the inchworm. In the inchworm exercise, you are basically going to first stand and then roll yourself down towards the mat. Then walk out into a plank in 4 taps and walk back up in a standing position, roll up in 4 taps as well. So it's okay, completely fine if you have your knees bent while you do so, and if you can go without bending your knees, then nothing like it. But make sure that you breathe throughout the movement, that your core is engaged, and just have fun with the movement. It is a challenging movement but is really good for your arms as well as your core strength. In this exercise, we are working, we're doing a push-up and then we're going into a side plank, a stage 1 side plank, which I really like to do because I can also focus on my stability this way. So do your push-up and then get into the side plank like this and keep breathing, have your core engaged, and yeah, that's it. So everyone, that was our today's workout. Hope you had a great workout. We are doing 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions each. Make sure you stretch before and after our workouts, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, Pilates with Pooja. Like, share, comment, and yes, see you next time. Bye bye.